What's up, everyone? This is Zach. You're watching Biconomy. We're going to do the Coinlist Biconomy quiz right now. So let's get them tokens. Number one, how many tokens are in option 1 and option 2? Well, there is 40 million and there is 10 million. What's the sale mechanism for the Biconomy sale? Well, users are in the waiting room for the sale. They'll be given a random spot in the queue, and then when the sale starts, users who arrive after the sale starts for the sale will be placed behind those in the waiting room. Simple as that. Like, Biconomy is built on Multichain, and if you like getting into multi-projects, check out our Telegram. We have a lot of stuff whitelisted there, and we also have on our Notion, right, all of the upcoming NFTs, IDOs, ICOs, all the sales coming up. So you want to check that out. I've left the links down in the description. Okay, moving on swiftly. What is Biconomy built for? Well, it's built for infrastructure, for a simple multi-chain experience. The currencies that are accepted for payment in this scale, well, it's BTC, the big boy, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT. Lovely tether. So click that. What is the price per token and the max purchase for the sale? Well, the price per token is 25 cent and 15 cent, and the max is $1,000. So hopefully everybody watching this video gets that $1,000. And we will also be doing a deep dive on Biconomy, so make sure you like and subscribe to get that into your notifications. Thanks very much. What would happen if someone submits a purchase but doesn't complete it? We know there's a few nefarious characters out there that might be gaming the Coinlist ecosystem, so their purchases may be cancelled and the user may be banned from future Coinlist sales. Where we'll be able to participate in the token sale? Well, of course, on the one and only Coinlist.co. What happens to a user who uses bots or abuses the Qt system? Well, their account will be terminated and all purchases will be cancelled. This is Zach, Biconomy. Like and subscribe. Thanks very much. I'm out. Boop.